Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about this. Nope, this is not the Elgato Keylight or Keylight Air. However, have we found the Elgato Keylight or Keylight Air killer? Well, let's find out. What are we waiting for? Let's do this! One of the popular lighting that streamers and content creators use is the Elgato Keylight or the Elgato Keylight Air. However, at least for me, the pricing point of those products is just too high. I don't have that kind of money to buy those lighting. So I started looking for alternatives, and this is what I found. This is the VGM K7 Desk LED panel. The pricing point of this product is at least 1/3 of the Elgato Keylight Air. So that's a good starting point. All right, well, let's start reviewing this product. First off, let's see what's inside the box. So when you buy the product, it's gonna come in this box, and let's see what's inside this. So that's the box. Let's open it. So it's going to be housed in this foam, and these are the stuff that you are going to get. So first off, of course, you have your documentation. Then you have your panel light itself. So this is how it looks like. This is how thick it is. Just to give some perspective, that's my iPhone over there. So that's how thick the panel is, and this is how big it is. Again, perspective. This is my iPhone. There you go. And then you're gonna have your pole. This is the pole made out of plastic. And then you're gonna have your base. This is the base panel, or sorry, this is just the base plate, not the base panel. And then you're gonna have your Allen key, and then this Allen screw. It's actually housed in a small plastic. I lost the plastic, but anyway, that's what's inside that plastic. And then you're gonna have this 1.9 meters USB cable. This is a USB-C cable, by the way. I like the fact that it's a USB-C cable. So from the specs, when it comes to the specs of this panel, so let's just open the documentation so it's gonna be accurate. So this is the specs. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has 89 pieces of LED, and then when it comes to the color temperature, it's from 3200 to 5600 Kelvin. And when it comes to power, it's 8 watts. And for the power supply, as you can see, it didn't come with any power supply. So this is just something you can use your phone charger, because you just need a 5-volt USB direct input, as you can see here from the power supply. In fact, you can just use your computer using this USB-C cable. You can plug this to your computer, then that should power this particular panel here. So that's what you're gonna get from the box. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items inside the box. We will assemble those parts together, but before we do that, I just want to talk more about the panel itself and also the pole that was included in the package. So this is the panel. So this is, when it comes to the size, this is 200 mm, 207 mm this way, and then when it comes to the thickness, it's around 17 mm. And then at the back, you will see this different, the switch, which will be your on and off switch. This dial will be for the brightness of the light. This will be the one that controls the temperature of the light. And then underneath, you will see this USB-C cable slot, or USB-C slot here. I hope you can see that. There we go. And then this will be for the screw thread for this part of the pole. So this pole has a ball head at the top, so that you can have some flexibility to move it around. And then of course this pole can be stretched, so this is the maximum length that you can stretch this pole. So yep, all of these are made of plastic. Okay, plastic over here. And as I've mentioned, inside this you have 95 pieces of LED. Let's start assembling all the parts together. So let's start with the pole and then the base plate. Just put them together. You can align this. You can you can simply just align them together. So once you've got it aligned, there we go. And then get that Allen screw, put it here, and then use the Allen key, then just screw it over there. Okay. And then once this one is secured, there you go. That should be good. Yep, there we go. You have it there. Then you can now screw this. Okay, you'll probably just do it like that, but just for demonstration, I'm gonna do it this way. So screw it like this, and then that is ready over there. And then of course, with the ball head, you can adjust this, right? You can just adjust it like that. You can also have it this way, if you can see. Let me show that here in this camera so you can see it. You can have it this way as well, right? Or you can have it this way. So there you go. That's what you have there. And then lastly, this of course is just to plug the USB-C cable. So this is the USB-C cable. Plug it over here. And then the other end to a power supply. So I'm just gonna actually plug this to my computer. So let's do that. There you go. I have it plugged to my computer. I haven't switched it on, so I'm gonna switch it on now. So just this one, and there you go. That's the light over there. Okay, so this is the brightest right now. I'm gonna put it to the dimmest. Okay, this is supposedly the dimmest. So what you can see, right, it is not instantaneous. So when you dial it, it's gonna take some time to actually go to that brightness. And then this is the warmest, and then this will be the coolest temperature for this particular lighting. So as you can see, it can get very bright. So right now, so I'm gonna put it to the warmest right now. So that's around 5700 Kelvin, if I'm not mistaken. Let me go back. No, 5600 Kelvin. And then when it comes to that colder temperature, it's going to be at 3200 Kelvin, and then that's it. So this is the dimmest, as I've mentioned, and then I'm going to put that to the brightest. You know what? The best way is just to put it this way. Whoa, okay. This is the coldest at the brightest, and then coldest temperature at the dimmest. This is how it's going to look like right now. This is more or less around 800 meters away from me. All right, and then I'm gonna put it to the warmest temperature right now. That's the warmest temperature that it's gonna get. And then this is the brightest at the warmest temperature, same distance a while ago. And then this will be the dimmest, okay, at that warmest temperature. So you can see the difference between those colors. And then that's it. That's all that this product has. All right. So, of course, the main difference when it comes to the Elgato Keylight Air is that it does not have any software integration. You don't have an app that you'll be able to control this. You don't have any computer software that you will be able to control this. You cannot integrate this to any of your other Elgato stuff or Elgato devices. For example, if you have a Stream Deck, you will not be obviously able to use this together with that. So that, of course, is what you're not gonna get just because this is not the Elgato Keylight or Keylight Air. However, when it comes to the light, if this is the lighting that you're looking for, well, probably, you know, this will be more than enough for you. All right, so that's it about this when it comes to different features, how to assemble, and what you're gonna get out of the box when you buy this VGM K7 LED panel. Okay, desk LED panel to be exact. All right, so that's about it when it comes to this product, the VGM K7 desk LED panel. Is this the Elgato Keylight or Keylight Air killer? Well, if you're looking for a lighting that has some that you can control using an app, or a software in your computer, or something that you can integrate with your other Elgato stuff, obviously this is not that product. But if you're just looking for a lighting that has some soft effect to it, and also has good brightness control and warmness or coldness or temperature control, this may be a good lighting that you can consider for your streaming or for your content creation. And also, as I've mentioned already, pricing point, when it comes to the pricing point, I got this at the third of the price of the Elgato Key Light Air. So for me, that's a win. All right. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.